How to use iCloud Keychain for passwords. First, on your iPhone or Mac, open Settings or System Settings, then tap your Apple ID. Next, go to iCloud, Passwords and Keychain, and toggle iCloud Keychain on. This keeps all your passwords, Wi-Fi logins, and even credit card info synced and encrypted. Once enabled, iCloud Keychain will offer to save any new logins info you enter in Safari or supported apps. Just tap Save Passwords when prompted. No need to write it down or memorize it. It's saved securely. When visiting a login page, Safari will show a keyboard suggestion for your saved logins. Tap it, use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm, and you're in. It's that fast and safer than using the same password everywhere. When creating a new account, iCloud Keychain suggests a strong password for you. These are randomly generated and stored automatically. Great for improving your security without the stress of remembering complex logins. And that's it.